In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Target 360 membership. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in target.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Target. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is click on your account name that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for Target Circle. Right over here, you'll be able to see the Target Circle plan that you have subscribed to. So simply click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now if you have subscribed to the pro version of the Target Circle plan, you'll be able to find the option for manage membership over here. So what you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you should be able to find the option for cancel membership in another interface. What you have to do is find that option and click on it. Now after you do that, the membership will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel Target 360 membership. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.